Have you ever marveled at the transformation of a tiny seed into a beautiful, full-grown plant? Today, we're going to explore this miraculous journey, focusing on the key stages and the specific vocabulary that describes each one. Our journey begins with a seedling. A seedling is a young plant that develops from a seed. Picture this. A tiny seedling peeks through the soil, its fragile form eager to embrace the world. The seedling then evolves into a sprout. This is the stage where the plant starts to grow, pushing out new leaves and stems. Imagine a small sprout, reaching towards the sky, its tender leaves unfurling in the warm sunlight. Next comes the stage of the shoot. This is when the plant starts to develop stems and leaves. It's like a teenager in the plant world. A sturdy shoot pushes upwards, its leaves stretching out, eager to gather sunlight. Then we arrive at the bud stage. This is when the plant prepares to flower. The bud is a small lump that appears on a plant which will eventually open into a flower. A tight bud appears on the shoot, full of promise and potential. The next stage is to blossom. This is when the bud opens and the flower starts to show. A flower blossoms, its petals unfolding in a slow, graceful dance, revealing its vibrant colors to the world. Following blossoming, we have to bloom. This is when the flower is fully open and at its most vibrant. Picture a flower in full bloom, its petals spread wide, displaying its stunning beauty for all to see. But all good things must come to an end. The next stage is to wilt. This is when the plant starts to lose its vitality, and its leaves and flowers begin to droop. A once vibrant flower begins to wilt, its petals losing their color and vitality. The term to droop describes when a plant's leaves or stems begin to hang down due to lack of water or too much heat. Think of a plant drooping under the scorching summer sun, its leaves hanging low in a desperate plea for water. The final stage in a plant's life cycle is to wither. This is when the plant dries up and dies. A plant withers away, its once vibrant leaves now dry and brittle, its life cycle complete. So there you have it, the journey of a plant, from a tiny seedling to a full bloom and eventually to withering away. Remember these key vocabulary words: seedling, sprout, shoot, bud, to blossom, to bloom, to wilt, to droop, and to wither. They will enrich your understanding of the life cycle of plants and enhance your nature-related conversations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop marveling at the miracles of nature that surround us.